Hello everyone, my name is Michael Estiense Paez. I am 23 years old. I am from Bogota. I live there now. I am the 7th semester and I'm very excited to be here doing this video and showing some about me, and I hope achieve my goals and learn all that I can. Okay. I go to show some answer from my partner Heidi. Okay. Uh, the first uh, question for she is: did you study English in another college, university before enrolling at UNAT? She said that yes, she studied in different institutes to learn English, like Springfield. So natural learn English in another more, but was when she was the 10th and 11th grade of school. Okay. The second question is: how long have you been learning English? Why? Uh, she say that he studied in science primary school because always has been important to improve the English skills, and the people need to speak in another language to have more opportunities in the working world, and I think the same. The third question is: uh, what kind of abilities do you want to improve in the language course? So she said that he like to improve all skills. He want improve all skills, science reading and speaking, uh, because for she is necessary to be more competitive in different places. So for she is very interesting to understand when people talk about different things. Uh, when speak when she in English, when she see a movie or read a book in English, and she want to read all about the skills in refer to listening, to hearing, etc. Okay. The fourth question is: which production skills, reading or speaking, do you find the most difficult? Okay. She said that it's more difficult for her speaking skills because uh, you have to create a speech, and the moment that you don't have the opportunity to check and see need some changes or any mistakes. So definitely, the speaking skill represent more chance for she, and I think that everybody. So, first question is: which do you think are the advantages and disadvantages of learning English online? She said that the first one disadvantage is um, practice constantly with other person to improve the speaking and listening skills, uh, because the process can be easier, and you have immediately people for resolve it. Also, the compromise that we should have should learn more, and like advantage is many because she said that it's different. There are different tools to improve your skills, and I think that is true because the internet, she said that is very useful to this part, and the opportunity to see many times some video, audio, and teach or read any documents that the contact teaching we could not have. And I think I am agree when she, because through the internet we can see videos, listen some audios, movies, etc. Very good. So this question is, what would you propose to make the English program better? Okay, to see that more speaking cultures, because this whole tool is very important to practice the English and skills. So I think the same. I'm agree with you, and all he said and her her answers. So yeah, this is all about she, and thanks for watching this video. See you.